How to reduce chin fat for men. Reduce chin fat. When you gain weight, and the fat decides to settle into your chin, it changes the contour of your face and affects your appearance. To reduce this fat, a full body weight loss approach is required. Just spot reducing any area of your body isn't possible. You can't pick and choose where you lose weight. You must focus on reducing your entire body fat in order to slim down your double chin. Committing to long-term lifestyle changes that include regular exercise and a reduced calorie diet can do the trick. Step 1. Set a goal to lose a 1-2 pounds to 2 pounds per week, which according to the Weight Control Information Network is a safe weight loss rate that's maintainable in the long run. Since 1 pound of fat is 3,500 calories, you must create a daily deficiency of 250 to 1,000 calories to achieve this weight loss rate. Step 2. Incorporate a minimum of 30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise into 5 days of the week to burn calories. Find different physical activities that you enjoy, and perform them at a pace that still allows you to talk, but not sing. Consider walking briskly, riding a bike, jumping rope, jogging or exercising on an elliptical machine or stair climber. For optimal calorie burn, gradually increase the duration of your workouts to 60 minutes. Step 3. Pump iron at least 2 days a week to build and strengthen muscle tissue, which speeds up your metabolism so you burn more calories even while at rest. Use free weights, exercise bands, weightlifting machines or your body weight for resistance. Work all major muscle groups with enough resistance so the last repetition of each set is hard to finish. Step 4. Make over your diet so you consume fewer calories. Choose lean cuts of meat, such as skinless chicken breast, extra lean ground beef, pork loin and beef round steak. Replace full-fat dairy with non-fat or low-fat dairy. Eat smaller portions, and snack on fruits and veggies, instead of cookies, chips and candy. Keep track of your calories and read food labels. Focus on eating foods low in salt, sugar and fat and high in nutrients and fiber. Step 5. Perform targeted exercises 4 to 5 times throughout the day. According to Dr. Renu Gupta, author of Complete Beautician Course, exercises, such as backward head tilts and two-pronged pressure attacks, can help eliminate a double chin. To do backward head tilts, stand upright and tilt your head back as far as comfortable. Hold this for 5 to 10 seconds before returning to the starting point. To do a two-pronged pressure attack, sit with your elbow on a table and place your hands below your chin. Try opening your mouth for 5 to 10 seconds while pushing against your chin to offer resistance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do hit the subscribe button below.